There is a 100% guarantee of the failure of the electrical grid. The two main threats are 1. Natural solar storms, geomagnetic disturbances or GMDs. 2. Potential attacks using electromagnetic pulse, EMP, weapons. G'day, I'm Brent, and I'm a qualified electronic engineer. I worked for an electricity utilities company as a designer for 14 years before retiring. As an insider, I know how fragile the electricity grid has become and is becoming more so. The addition of intermittent solar and wind has not strengthened it. Those massive land-devouring systems have added significant cost to the network in the form of expensive transmission lines but only supply a fraction of the electricity needed. Globally, solar and wind supply 18% of the needed power, and doubling or tripling the amount will not significantly improve that percentage because none of them operate at more than 40% of their capacity all year or even all day. Wind and solar might be free, but the panels, windmills, land, and infrastructure are not. The more transmission lines and other electrical infrastructure there are, the more vulnerable the grid is to EMP pulses from the sun or an attack. There will never be an advance warning of a blackout. All any of us can do is be prepared. Save your family from the dire effects of an unexpected power outage. Click the link in the description for your free cheat sheet of what to do before the next blackout. A major solar storm could disable large portions of the electrical grid, with severe consequences for society. There's a 100% chance of a major solar storm eventually occurring, but the timing is unpredictable. The grid could be hardened against these threats, but regulatory and financial obstacles have hindered progress. EMP attacks from adversaries or terrorists are another serious concern that could have similar effects. Severe lightning, high wind events, snowstorms, and flooding can and do disrupt the power supply. More public awareness and government action are needed to address these vulnerabilities. This is urgent as we have already seen massive blackouts from aging grid breakdowns, and a coordinated effort is required to upgrade and strengthen it. The Green Lobby is actively promoting a secondary issue: the transition from solid, dependable, always available power to unreliable, intermittent wind and solar power. While there is nothing wrong with solar or wind power for small-scale generation and storage, it doesn't scale to meet the demands of the national grid. As mentioned previously, any severe weather event will destroy a wind or solar system's ability to generate power for weeks or months. The dire effects your family would face change depending on the time of year and your location. They may include loss of light, loss of heat or cooling, loss of the ability to cook, food spoilage, loss of security, loss of water supply, and loss of sewerage. You may also find that your ability to relocate has been limited or stopped. They all rely on a reliable source of power. Make sure you're prepared by clicking the link in the description for your free cheat sheet. This video emphasizes the importance of grid resilience and emergency preparedness while highlighting the potentially catastrophic consequences of not addressing these issues. There are calls for greater public awareness and decisive action to protect critical infrastructure. Without the federal government's full support and significant investment, individuals will be forced to fall back on their resources to protect their families with a small-scale generation and storage backup system. To get the free cheat sheet to keep your family safe during a blackout, click the link in the description.